I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see what devices are logged into your Discord account. Have you ever wondered which devices are logged into your Discord account? Keeping track of your account security is crucial, especially in today's connected world. Whether you're concerned about unauthorized access or just doing a routine security check, knowing that devices are connected to your Discord is important for your online safety. In this video, I'll show you how to easily see all the devices logged in to your Discord account. This knowledge not only helps bolster your account security, but also gives you peace of mind. Now let's walk through the steps to see what devices are logged into your Discord account. Step 1. Open the Discord app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll see the list of your Discord servers. Step 2. Tap your Discord profile icon in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Your Discord profile screen is displayed. Step 3. Tap the settings icon at the top of this screen. The settings icon looks like a gear. The settings menu is shown. Step 4. Navigate to the Account Settings section in this menu and then tap Devices in this section. You'll see the Devices screen where you'll find one section that shows the current device you're logged into Discord and using, and another section that shows all of the other devices you're currently logged into Discord on. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.